How to write a business plan in South Africa. Are you starting a business and looking to attract investors? Then, putting a strong business plan will be valuable. In this video, I will share with you how to write a strong business plan to get the investor that you want. In fact, this is the template I used to build my multi-million business in just under 5 years. Stay put. How's it, guys? Welcome to my channel. On this channel, we help you level up your entrepreneurship skills to make money your servant. Are you currently on the search for someone to help you put a business plan together? Chances are, when you do find someone, they will charge you an arm and a leg. But did you know that you can write your own business plan by just following these 7 simple steps? A business plan is just a roadmap for your business. It tells your goals and details out how you plan to achieve those goals. Having a good business plan is what separates the wheat from the chaff and gives you the funding you want. The first thing any investor will look at is your executive summary. The executive summary of your business plan is the billboard of your business. It should hit straight to the point. Talk about the important aspect and the value proposition of your business. Quick tip, you should write your executive summary last. This will help you package your ideas nicely. Number 2, your company description. Your company description should contain these 3 elements. A, your mission statement. This is what builds excitement and motivates people to want to be part of your business. It is a formal summary of your goals and values of your business. It defines what line of business you are in, why you exist, and what purpose you serve. For example, my company, PropertyAskEkow's mission statement is helping you make money your servant. B, your company history. This is typically a simple profile of your company's founding date, list of achievements, your company's location, list of number of employees, executive leadership roles, and what your leading products or services are. But since you are just starting your business, you wouldn't have much of this information listed, so you just have to tell your story, your elevator speech basically. C, your business objectives. What specific steps are you taking alongside your team to achieve your business goals? For example, our objective is to help 3,000 purpose-driven entrepreneurs go full-time doing what they love through the power of entrepreneurship, money management, and real estate investing. 3, market analysis. Here, you defined your target audience. You must be specific about your target audience. What income class are you targeting? What's their location? Which age group are you selling to? Are you targeting males or females, or both? What is their educational background? What do they do for a living? What are their hobbies? Number 4, competitor analysis. Do you know who your competitors are? Research on companies selling the same product as you. Find out where do they advertise? What type of media do they use? What are people saying about them on their social media? How good is their customer service? What are their sales and pricing strategies? Quick tip, visit your competitors' websites. Look at their About Us page and mission statement. This will help you find your X factor. 5, your product description. What are you selling and how much would it cost? How did you get to that number? What is your growth strategy? In this section, you describe the unique benefits of your product or service that separates you from the rest. Number 6, your marketing strategy. How do you plan on attracting customers? What are your advertising strategies? What media platforms would you be advertising on? A clear distribution outline must be displayed. Number 7, your financial planning. In order to attract investors, you will need to draft a budget and have a financial plan. Include your income statement, which is basically your profit and loss statement. Include your balance sheet statement and your cash flow statement, which is a reflection of your income statement and your balance sheet. The whole point of this channel is to take you from confusion to clarity so that you know exactly what to do to run a successful business. If you feel like you could benefit from some help on the business side, then WhatsApp me on this number below and book your free 15-minute consultation with me today. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and send this video to your friends so that they too can have business success. In the next video, I will share with you 5 simple techniques I used to scale my business in just under 5 years whilst working a 9-to-5 job. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.